Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the line spacing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Currently, the Evernote mobile apps, both for iOS and Android, do not offer a direct option to adjust the line spacing in the app's formatting settings. All right, line spacing adjustments are generally only available in the desktop or web versions of Evernote. However, what we're going to do is to try these workarounds. Now, for the mobile app, once you open the Evernote, I want you to hover to the notebook and click the notebook or the notes that you are working on and try to work around with the line spacing, although it's kind of limited. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this as an example. All right. So I'm going to paste a text here. You see this? So basically, when you go to the formatting options here on the top corner, there isn't like an option for the line spacing. All right, note content size, you can right here, what you can do is for the note content size, is it going to be normal? You can choose from normal, large, and extra large. So that's kind of like limiting if you ask me. And you see in the match of phone settings, the size your notes content will match your phone accessibility settings. All right, so that's that. If you go here, you see this option for the formatting, you only have like a normal text and the size equivalent, the font style and the color and the scratch pad. You have all these strike through, sans script, and just this one right here. All right, so you don't have any much options. What we can do is to manually work with the line spacing. For example, this one, we can of course use this bottom arrow here to create a separation. And of course you can do everything here. For example, this one, we're gonna like put like a small space, and basically that's the only way where you can work around with the line spacing. Unfortunately, you might want to switch over to your web version or the desktop application. But don't worry, because what you can do instead is just try to create a draft here on your mobile device. Hover to the upper right corner where you can see the three dots icon. And you know what you can do is share the notes right here. Make sure it's public. It's anyone can edit. People with access are these. Type the name of your team members, which is kind of helpful if you are on the collaborative environment, if you're working with multiple freelancers, or maybe you're working with your client. And then since they can edit that and they open the note from a web version and of course from the desktop application, it'll be a lot easier now, because notes with dense content can feel overwhelming. Increasing line spacing makes them easier to read. They can do that since you have shared this note with given them non-restricted access. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.